Today in this video we will learn how to upload student data. So there are two methods to upload student data. One is bulk upload, that you can import data from the Excel file if you are having the data in Excel format, and other method is entry of student data one by one. So this is new admission. So today we will see these two options. Let us first see how to import data from Excel file. So first you have to come to student management, then come to import from Excel. So this interface will be opened. Read all the instructions carefully. Please download blank Excel file. So you have to click here. A blank Excel file format will be downloaded. So I am clicking here. See, one file has been downloaded. Please read the data validation rule. This rule you must know how to enter the data. So let us see what is the rule. Roll number. Roll number field is numeric field. That means you have to enter only 1, 2, 3 and so on. Admission number. It is alphanumeric field. That means you can use either A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4. But you should not use any space in between. So space cannot be used. Special characters like slash, comma, asterisk, @ hash, brackets, this should not be used. And one more important thing, that admission number should be unique in this school. That means two students cannot have the same admission number. They must have different admission number. And admission number should not start with 0. So admission number may be 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, but it cannot start with 0. Like 0, 1 cannot be the admission number. Since this is the most important field, admission number, so you have to enter the admission number very carefully. Next is student name. Only letters, space and decimals are allowed. No special character, no numbers are allowed. For gender, you have to use male and female in this format only. First letter, that is M, is capital, and here in the female F is capital, and others O is capital. Do not type boy, girl, B, G or anything extra. Category, as you know that in EMRS there are certain fixed category. For general, please type GEN, OBC, SC, ST, PBTG, DNT, NT and others only. Do not type anything extra. Again, date of birth is very important. You know that in Excel what happens, sometimes you enter date in DD, MM, YY format, but it automatically changes into American format and it becomes YYY, MM and DD. So there is every chance that your date of birth may get wrong. To avoid this, what you have to do, you have to type date of birth in a bracket. So in a big bracket, that is called square bracket, you have to type the date of birth and you have to follow DD, MM, YY. That means 2 digits for date, 2 digits for month and 4 digits for year. You can see the example. Again, one more important thing, that do not use slash or dot. Some person use slash or dot between the day and month. Here you have to use only the hyphen. This hyphen sign you have to use. So please read the instructions very carefully. Mother name, as rule is same like student name. Father name, again rule is same like student name. Then mobile number, only 10 digits mobile number is allowed. Do not type 91 or plus sign anything. If anybody has 2 numbers, don't type 2 numbers. Only one number, that is 10 digits is required, and email, a valid email format you can enter. So this way you have to enter the data in the Excel format and then you can upload the data to the software. We have already seen what are the rules to upload the data, type the data in the Excel format. Now let us try to upload the data which is in Excel format. So I have this Excel format, blank file it is there. So here you have to type roll number, numeric field, admission number, then student name, gender, as I told you that male, female or others you can type here, then category, general, SC, ST, OBC, and date of birth. You can see here that date of birth is written in a square bracket and I have used hyphen. instead of slash and dot I have used hyphen, so you have to use hyphen, then mother name, father name, and 10 digit of mobile number and proper format of the email ID. So this way you have to enter data for all the student. Now I am going to upload it. First you have to select a class. Let's say I am going to upload for class 6C because 6A already have some data. I am going to upload for 6C. So here I can see that existing student in class C, in the student profile there is 0 record, in the exam result there is 0 record, so completely this class 6C is blank. So I have to again choose the file and read Excel file. So here the software has extracted the data from the Excel file. You can see here the background is green color, that means all the data is correct. If any data has wrong entry, then it will show and it will indicate you that yes, there is some error. Take some example. I am making some error. For example, I am making some error. I am typing 12 digits of phone number, 13 digits of phone number. Now I am uploading. See, the roll number 1 is showing in a red color, that means data has some problem. There are one row having invalid data cannot be uploaded. So you can see here the phone number is not correctly entered, so I have to again make necessary correction. Phone number should be of 10 digits only. Choose the file, read Excel file. Now see, all data has been extracted. Now upload student data. You have to click finally on upload student data. So data has been uploaded successfully. Total student data uploaded 3. 3 students have been uploaded. Let us see, is it uploaded or not. Go to student management, search student, take class 6 and section C. Yes, 3 student data I can see here. That means my data has been uploaded successfully. So this is the one method by which you can upload data in bulk. That means the entire class student data can be uploaded in one go. Other method to upload the data is new admission. Again you have to go to student management, new admission, and here you can enter data one by one. So let us try to enter one more data. 622553 is the admission number. The student name may be Rohit Kumar Yadav. Class I am taking again 6, section again C, and roll number 4. So new student Rohit Kumar Yadav admitted successfully. Let me check student management 6C. See, here one more student has been added. So this way you can upload student data. Once the data is uploaded to the software, then again you have to update the profile. So here I am going to update the profile, class 6C. So there are 4 students. Edit profile. So if there is any change, like if name was not Raja but it was Raja Kumar, so I can add here. If any change is required, I can change it here. If there is another mobile number, I can type another mobile number. Religion I can select and update. So this way you can update the profile of any student. Again, let us try to update male, date of birth, mother name. So this way you can enter student data and update the student profile.